The discount store is having a big sale. Paper towels are 2 rolls for $1. Disposable diapers are $3 a box. If Serena buys 2 rolls of paper towels and 2 boxes of diapers, how much change will she get from a $20 bill? So if she buys 2 rolls of paper towels, so you get paper towels 2 rolls for $1. So here the towels, she's paying $1. And then for the diapers, here the disposable diapers are $3 a box, and over there it says that she bought 2 boxes, so that's $6 that she spends plus 1, so she spends $7. Well, if she had $20 and then minus the $7, then that means that she has left to go buy her hamburger, $13. Angel and Robert want to hike a trail that goes from Maine to Georgia. That's a long way. The trail is 2,050 miles long. If they hike 12 miles a day for 30 days, how many miles do they have left to hike? Well, I tell you what, they have a long way to go. First, we take how many miles have they hiked so far. So far they've hiked 12 miles times 30 days. You multiply that, that gives you 360 miles. They have left 250 miles minus the 360, and that's 1,690 miles to go. So Angel and Robert get to stepping. If you sleep 7 hours every night, how many hours are you awake in a year? So tip, there are 24 hours in a day, duh. There are 365 days in a year, duh. So if they sleep 7 hours in a day, so if we take the 7 from 24, that means that they are awake that many hours. So they are awake 17 hours a day. So if they're awake 17 hours a day for 365 days, so here they are awake in 1 year, 365 times 17, and on your calculator that gives you 6,205. 6,205 hours. George wants to buy a $200 bike at the end of the summer. He decides to do odd jobs to earn the money for the bike. He mows lawns, washes cars, waxes cars. His rates are $10 for a mowed lawn, $8 for a washed car, and $4 for a waxed car. By the end of June, George has mowed 10 lawns. So So there for the lawns, that's 10 times 10, $10 the rate. So he's made $100 there on the lawns, and then he's washed 8 cars, so he gets $8 per car. So that's 8 times 8. He got $64, and then he has waxed. There it says 6 cars, and so he gets $4 per car. So that's 4 times 6, 24. So if we add that up, we get 164 plus 24, that's 188. And then it says, how much more money does he need to buy the bike? Well, if he started off with 200 that he needs, and he's earned 188, it looks like George needs $12. Mr. Duck, whatever name that is, sorry, asked Perry to set up DUC. Anyway, I guess they didn't want to be DUCK. Mr. Duck asked Perry to set up 450 chairs in a large hall. Perry puts 20 chairs in each row. He has already set up 15 rows of chairs. How many more chairs must he set up? Okay. So he was asked to set up 450 chairs in a large hall. He puts 20 chairs in each row. He's already set up 15 rows of chairs. So let's look at that. That's 20 times 15 will let us know how many chairs that he's already set up. So that's 300. Chairs already. Now he needs to set up 450 minus the 300, and so you get 150 more to go. More. Had a professor at Alabama State back in the late 80s. He said his name. I called him Dr. Moore. He said, it's Moore, Dr. Moore. And he stressed that with me. It made me feel like I was, I don't know, retarded. But anyway, Moore. The next one, here Mike was in charge of a special sports day at the community center. A company donated 50 boxes of ice cream bars with 12 bars in each box. If 520 people had ice cream bars, how many bars were left? And so if you multiply the 12 times the 50, there you get 600. So there's 50 boxes with 12 bars in each. So here, this is 600 bars. If 520 people had ice cream bars, how many bars were left? So that's 600 minus 520. You get 80 bars that are left. Ernie, hey, Ernest, no, Ernie bought 3 12-packs of regular cola, 4 12-packs of Diet Cola, and 2 6-packs of orange soda. Too much sugar. How many cans did he buy? Well, if he bought 3 12-pack of regular cola, so we just put the number there. That's 3 times 12. 12. It's a lazy 2. It's 36. And then 4 times the 12-pack of the diet soda, 48. And then 2 of the 6-packs. That's 6 packs of orange soda. So that's 12. Right? So we add that up, 48 and 12. Well, that's 60 plus 36, 96 cans. Kate runs 3 miles a day. If she runs every day for 365 miles, how much more or less than 1,000 miles will she run? So she runs 3 miles a day. That's times 365 days in the year. And so that gives you 1,095 miles that she's running in 1 year. So she has exceeded by 95. 1,095 minus the 1,000 just leaves us with 95 miles, and she's gone over 95 miles. A tank holds 1,000 gallons of syrup, and Danielle filled 65 5-gallon cans with syrup. How much syrup was left in the tank when she finished? So we multiplied 65 times the 5 gallons, and that gives us 325 gallons of syrup. And so how much syrup was left in the tank when she finished? We subtract 1,000 minus 325, and that gives you 675. What's left, right, is subtraction. Thank you.